lovely people. You are all welcome once again to Fancy Kitchen today. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a very quick and simple recipe. So please stay with me, relax, take a glass of juice or a glass of water and let's see how this goes. We are making NkateKonto today, Ghana NkateKonto. Here are the ingredients we are going to use for our soup today. I have my tomatoes over here. Okro, of course, you cannot make NkateKonto soup without okro and agrana. I have some carrots here, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, Habanero pepper, and I also have some green Habanero pepper here. I also have my onions over here because of my time. I'm making this very quick. So I have my onions in here, ginger, garlic, rosemary, Aniseed, Fennel seed. I have blended all together. Because of my time, I have already prepped all these ingredients so that it will be more easy for me. I have some peanut paste over here and I'll be using frozen spinach. I don't have the fresh one, but if you have the fresh one, of course, you can use the fresh one. If you don't have the fresh one too and you have the frozen one, don't worry. It will all work for you perfectly. In here, I have my meat, which I have already washed it very well. I have some mackerel fish over here. I have some shaki over here, or cow tripe. I also have some oxtail in here. I have mushrooms too, one onion in here. And also I have Ghana prakotre, and prakotre too is in here. So these are the meats I'll be using for my soup today. All the ingredients will be properly listed at the description box for you guys. So I will start with my blended ingredients. Some salt to taste. Yeah, bon kwana sintino ye manchina kwasi kama. We are checking on our soup. This is how it's looking like. Just see. At this point, I'm going to add in my tomatoes, pepper, I have some spinach in my blender. You can take any amount depending on the quantity of the soup you are making. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon of peanut paste to it. I'm going to take the green bell pepper and blend it together. Our soup is smelling amazing. I'm going to blend this together. I just find out that my soup is too thick for me. I don't want it too thick, so I will just add a little water into it. Depending on you, how you want the thickness. For me, I don't want my soup too light. No, and at the same time, too, I don't want it too thick. Our soup is smelling amazing. I just tasted my salt and everything is on point. I will add in my okra. The carrot too will go in. Just give it a very nice young quine beko yen fufu papa bi. Our soup is ready, guys. The soup is looking so amazing. This is how our soup is looking like. I have my fufu and our soup is looking so amazing, guys. Just see. Oh, nkontomire-groundnut. So thank you guys for watching Fancy Kitchen today. Till I see you in my next video. Stay blessed, be kind, love yourself, and love your neighbor. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye. Please, if you have not subscribed to this amazing channel yet, take a moment, ring on your notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, it comes straight to you. And don't forget to like the video and leave your beautiful comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Showing now on Trosibas TV, Ghana's first 4G powered bus television. To sponsor or advertise on this program, you can call us on 0240-022551 or 0266-446403. Trosibas TV is where brands meet customers.